easy go.
So what's up, ladies and gentlemen weapons? What we have today is I've got the ONN or ON action camera accessory kit, 16 essentials for GoPro, Hero, and other action cameras. So we're going to open this bad boy up. I just wanted to do a quick review and see if it's worth buying. So here's everything in the box. 2 bags. Let's see what this first bag is. This first bag, I believe, is the chest mount. It is, and it goes on like that, and then it has a shoe mount for it. You can strap it on. Let's see, that'll be easier. It goes on like this. A little tight for me, but I think you can loosen it up. But then it goes, the GoPro goes right here. Okay, so I'm going to take this off. Nice little accessory to have if you want to ride on a roller coaster, or is the camera falling? If you want to ride on a roller coaster, the camera's not falling. With a GoPro. Let's see, I keep saying a lot. I do that in a lot of my videos, sorry about that. Drinking game, let's go. Okay, and then we also have the carrying case for all the other accessories. So let's open this bad boy up and I'll show you all what's inside it first. So there we go. So first off, we'll start at the top. We have a monopod that has a wire hanging from it. So I believe this thing extends quite a bit, actually. So it's that long. It's about 3.5 feet long, and goes right back down. Selfie monopod, selfie stick, whatever. I've actually got one of these. It extends and whatnot. Just like this. So I probably should have bought this first. This was only $20 at Walmart. So if you want to buy this, like I said, it's only $20 at Walmart. Then we have a floating selfie stick. It floats. It does not unscrew at the bottom. It looks like it unscrews at the bottom. To put something in it. I guess not. Okay, we have this, this is okay, I guess. Don't know if I really will ever use it. I might use it. A wrist strap for this, I'm guessing. I do not know where it goes. I have a feeling it goes on the bottom. I don't want to break it though. So yeah, that's this. A whole bunch of adapters. I think this is a pole mount here that you can mount onto a pole. You have to have a Phillips head screwdriver for that, though. That is one thing. You have to have a Phillips head for that. So here's the water hand holder. There's the pole mount. It looks like a pole mount, anyways. Looks like it could go pretty wide around. I don't think you can unscrew this. Oh, you can unscrew it. So you don't need a Phillips head. You just unscrew it. It was just tight. Unscrew it, and then you can hang it on a pole, like that. You just unscrew it. At the bottom, it's got the normal GoPro screws, and yeah. So there's one adapter. Here's another adapter that I've been really looking forward to having. It's like for a tripod. You put that screw that onto a tripod, a mini tripod, whatever you want to do. And then, so that made this worth the $20 because I can put it on my my little Photo Pro tripod that I got and do it that way. And then you also get a angle mount, and I believe this is used for good use for this guy, the chest piece, so it'll actually go back like that, and then you just squeeze it off of here. And I think you can actually do it this way even. I may be wrong. No, you can do it both ways. So you can do it, you can put your GoPro back to where it actually is not, or tilt it back and upward a little bit so you can see more of a point of view type view. It's still not going to be point of view being right here, but still, yeah, it'll still be a good GoPro mount right here. The hook mount, I think that's what it's called. In the accessory kit, they give you also some more adapters, some more mounts. This one's just like a regular mount. Mount these together, and you can twist it different side to side. And hold on, let me see. I think I've got somebody calling me. Nope. But you can twist it side to side while it's on the mount. That's a good adapter to have to get different fields of view. It's pretty tight on the mounting case though, so might not be the best option, but I mean it would still probably work. Oh, it doesn't even mount like that, it mounts like this, so that's loose. But then you just tighten one of these screws in right here. Y'all know how GoPro works, but anyways, you just tighten one of those in, and then you get a sideways mount to where you can mount it sideways on whatever. Like if you had it in your car and you want to tilt it to the right or tilt it to the left, whatever. So you got 3 screws for the adapters. 1, 2, and 3. I'm going to put those off to the side. Then you have another extended adapter for extending, and then you also have the head mount that goes on your head like so. GoPro goes here or somewhere. Yeah, GoPro goes right here on in its casing, and you can get more of a point of view. It's actually pretty nice. It's got, like, I was expecting it to be like if you keep it on your head to fall off, but it's got this like gel stuff on the inside of it, and it seems like it would stay on your head a lot easier, or on a hat or whatever, a lot better. So there's that, and then last but not least, the suction cup mount. So this mount I was looking forward to, because I can mount it in my car on the window, on the windshield, and do some recording in there. It has about a 180 degree angle, but then still, let's see if we can take this off and put one of those extenders on there. We can take that all the way off, I think. No. Yeah, you just take that screw out, and you can add an extender, I guess, and another screw. So, all in all, for $20, this stuff's not bad. It's ONN or own, whatever. For $20, it's not a bad deal. Thank you for watching, ladies and gentle weapons, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace out.